Okay, in this video we're going to take a quick look at what pressure is, and more specifically, what the pressure is at the bottom of a swimming pool. What we know for starters is that pressure is equal to force over area. But what does this mean? Let's take my hand for example. Say I push upon your back with a force of about 2 newtons. Now my hand has a surface area of about 0.02 meters squared, which means I'm pushing with a pressure of about 100 newton meters squared, or 100 pascals. Let's say instead I have a needle in my hand. The force I'm pushing with stays the same, but the area I'm pushing over changes to 0.00002, or some small number. Now we're talking about 100,000 pascals, which is a lot more pressure, even though the force I'm applying is the same. So as the area I apply the force over gets smaller, the pressure gets bigger. Okay, now we understand the concept of pressure perfectly, just force over area. How do you find the force at the bottom of a swimming pool? You drop a scale in the swimming pool. You look at this imaginary box above the scale. This is all the water that weighs down on the scale. Now we have go back to our original equation in a moment after I write water down. Okay, pressure is just force over area. Well, force is just mass times gravity. Mass of that little box of water is just the volume of it times the density of water. Now, the volume is just equal to the area of the scale times the height of the water, or the depth of the scale. That area is going to cancel out with the area that we're looking at for the pressure. We're left with just height, density, and gravity.